All right, guys, this is you guys have probably seen me talk about these. I love these. These are the Wiha. This is an 8-inch BiCut cutter. Okay, pretty cool features on it. All right, you hit this button, guys, right here. Okay, works normally, right? Hit this button, power button. All of a sudden, you see how this side just moves. All right, that's going to give you a little bit more power, so to speak, to cut. Now these are some 15 gauge finish nails. As you can see, I mean, like nothing. It cuts these like absolutely nothing. And you can get really close to the bottom too. All right, and if you got to go lower, okay. You've seen me cut bolts with this, guys, in the review video I did. But you just press the button again, and it goes back to your normal cut. All right. Oh, there's Blackberry. All right, so nice little tool to have. Obviously, this is like nothing for this, guys, but I want to show you some other stuff here. This is this guy's fence over here. I gotta cut this. I want to get this back a little bit more. All right, so this old rusted, you know, like nothing. All right, so I'm probably gonna have to cut this straight down here, but it's like cutting paper. Cutting two at the same time. Yeah, so guys, great little extra tool. Now this is the insulated. You can get this obviously non-insulated. You know, also you hit the button, it'll lock it, you know, in case you don't want anybody, you don't want this kind of opening up. But nice little system here, guys. Opens up real wide. This is the 8-inch, like I said, insulated. I don't know if they have different sizes of these cutters, to be honest with you, but they obviously do have a non-insulated version of these. But you know, I think they're around 40 bucks, but I don't think there's a better, you know, I just love them. I want to say they're around 40 bucks, but you know, obviously you could probably find a cheaper option. And you got to remember, these guys, these are insulated. I'm sure you can get the non-insulated for probably $10-15 cheaper, but great thing to have. You know, you're going to be cutting metal, you know, fences like this, you know, the little nails and screws, you know, stuff like that. You know, obviously you can cut wire and all that stuff with these, but you know, great little hand tool to have from Wiha.